why the conscious community won't address black on black crime. I came on to do this video because the conscious community refusing to address black on black crime. They refuse to address Honeycomb's grandparents' death, King Von, Mo3's death, and Pop Smoke's death. But let a white person does it, it'll been all over the news. But this is real sad. Like, this is exactly why I was never was pro black in the conscious community, because they won't worry about what white people does. Yeah, I was worrying about that. But let a black person address it, they getting called all types of names, like coons and sellouts. And they have this victim mentality. If you don't think like them, you disagree with them, they wanna call you names on black YouTube. Most of their channels are toxic now because they have this victim mentality. They have this blaming the white man mentality and this and that. Talking about, oh, I hate white people and this and that. No, I'm not a racist. Please don't come on my channel to my son. Oh, Jenny, you being a racist right now. No, I'm not. I'm gonna put that out there. But this is real sad how these the conscious community, they will never address black on black crime. They will never address these dudes who going out selling drugs, committing crimes. They'll never address that. But I'm the problem. What kind of logic is that? But hey, that's how it is on social media. Black Twitter, black Facebook, it's toxic. But nah, that's selling now if you talk about this. They want to say, oh, you need to stay away from white women, date you a black woman. I'm like, why would you say that stuff? Hell, there's all race of women did bad things to a man. It ain't just white women doing this. But these fake pro blacks, they want say that you need to stay away from white people. White people are the devil. Hell, you see example like Mo3, he got killed by another black person, and y'all ain't saying nothing about it. But you want to scream about non-black people and white supremacists all day long. Then, if I say something about it, I'm selling out. But what's your thoughts on this video? Because I came on to talk about this, because the truth will make you free. It's the truth. Get mad at me if you want to. You can call me names all you want to. So with that, I'm out. Peace.